A shell is an interface between user and the operating system. It is a command interpreter. They are broadly classified into two categories. First one, command line shells. Second one, graphics shells. Users can give commands to the operating system through the shell, through the command line or through graphics interface. In Linux, there are several shells, bash shell, uh, then sh, then csh, zsh, and ksh. The administrator can set or change the shell of a user. Usually at the time of user creation, your administrator sets the shell, the login shell of the user. Then terminal, that is the interface between user and the shell. The terminal allows users to enter commands and see the output in a text-based interface. Shell script. A shell can take commands from a file. A shell script is a text file that contains a sequence of Linux commands, programming constructs like if, else, loop, switch, etc., and some simple data structures. Usually these files store with the extension .sh. Then its application. Shell scripts are very helpful to automate repetitive works like backup. They can be used for system monitoring. Shell scripts are used to manage usage. They are also used for managing system resources. Then coming to disadvantages of shell script. First one, they are slow execution. Second one, they are not suitable for large and complex tasks. These shells provide minimal data structures. Shell scripts can't ensure interoperability among shells. That is, a script written for one shell, it is not necessary that it should work for some other shell. Let us see how to write a shell script. Here I want to create a directory structure. Here my present working directory is A, and inside this A I want to create the folders like B, C, D, E, etc. And inside some folders I need some text files. Okay, let us check what are the shell used by me. For that, echo dollar shell. Shell is an environment variable. See, it is bash. In Linux there are many shells like corn shell, set shell, C shell, etc. And shell scripts are nothing but text files inside which we can include Linux commands and some programming constructs like if, then, else, loops, switch case, etc., etc., which will make your programming task easy. And the important thing is you can't ensure interoperability of shell scripts. That is, script written for bash shell, it is not necessary that it will work with C shell. You can't ensure it will work with set shell, etc. Let us open a text file. Usually the script has extension .sh. So mkdir c, then mkdir d, mkdir, okay, cd c, then mkdir c1, mkdir c2. There are some folders of C. Then remember my present working directory is A, so I'm changing this directory to C. and again to C1. Then I am creating a file touch c11.txt. Okay, so all these comments I have given inside a script. A shell can take commands from a file. What we have done is we are using a shell, a command line interpreter, and this is actually the interface between user and the shell, and we are creating our shell script here, and this shell can take command from this file. Usually there is no change between the command given here, command we are giving in the terminal as well as we are writing in the text file. Let me run this shell script. Let us check the folder content. Okay, so sh mk is the name, mk.sh. Okay, now it is okay. Let us check the folder C and D, two folders made by the script. Let us check what is inside this C. C1 and C2 there. C1, let us okay, C11.txt. The expected directory structure is created by the script. Let us change the extension. Let us move mv mk.sh to mk.csh. Okay, let us try to run this sh. So all the exist. Okay. So rm minus r c d. Okay, let us run this command again. .csh. It worked. Okay, open this file. Hash. Usually this hash is used to make comments in the shell script. You can use this echo commands to print some messages or for making some prompts. Okay, let us try this. Okay, such mk.sh. Okay, you can see a message, my script is displayed. You can specify the shell which will be used to interpret this script like this. Hash bang symbol, and this will be the first line /bin /sh. Okay, so this will be the shell. It should be used to interpret these lines. Let us save this. Try it again. Before that, make the folder empty. mk.sh. Okay, so this is the first line. See hash and bank symbol, then you can write comments. Okay, let us save this. Okay, it's working. Let us save this. Let us remove all these things. In VI editor, go to escape mode by pressing escape key, then press the key D 2 times. So DD, 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 DD. So you can remove lines like this, delete lines like this. If you want to copy a line, so you have to yank. So in press escape, then press Y 2 times, Y. Come to the point where you want to put this line. So again put, that is P, press P. Okay, yank and put. If you want to copy more than one line, then what you have to do, I want to copy 1, 2, 3 lines. Okay, then I should go to escape, press escape, the escape mode, and I want to copy 3 lines, so yank 3 lines, so 3 YY, again escape, then 3P. You got 3 times. Okay, okay, DD. Okay, insert. I want to do it here. You have done 3 YY, that is yanked 3 lines. P. Okay, in this way you can copy and paste multiple lines. Prompt for echo, first number, for taking anything through input with the command read, read A. Then if you want to print the value or red, echo, you have to include dollar symbol, you have to proceed a dollar symbol. So first number giving 23, so it is printed. Okay, echo second number, get put it, and then insert mode, second number, insert, yeah, just in that mode, read B, echo dollar $B, let sum equal to $A plus $B, echo dollar sum, first number 3, second number 4, let us use first number 3, second number 4. Okay, see the difference. Change the script name, that is bash. Here I have used sh. In that case I got this error. When I changed the shell to bash, I got the result. You can't expect interoperability. Okay, we do this, that is specifying this shell by which these lines of this script should be interpreted. When we make chmod +6 this mk.sh, making it executable, then we can give, without specifying the shell, we can run /mk.sh. Okay, first number 34 and second number 5, result is 39. Okay, see, we have not mentioned the shell. Okay, we have mentioned the shell which should be used to interpret these lines inside the script, and in this context we use that line hash bang symbol, then path to this shell. So chmod +6 mk.sh made this file mk.sh executable, so then we can run it as ./mk.sh. Okay, and inside this file we have mentioned which shell should be used to interpret the subsequent lines. So let us replace this line. Insert hash. Okay, we have made it a comment. Then I can do sum is equal to, here also no need to declare the variable before using it. Sum is equal to backout expr $a plus $b. Close the backout. That is backout again. Okay. Let us try this. Let us check. Okay, still it is executable. Read write execute, read write execute, read execute. Owner group RWX for group, and others can read and execute only. Okay, they can't read it. Okay, so let us run this ./mk.sh. Okay, 34 and